Now, this is a story of a small business, but does it sound a little bit familiar? Jack and Murray need to develop an organization chart and bring order out of what can at times feel like chaos. An organization chart just answers who's responsible and accountable for what. What roles does the business need to have filled? Who is best equipped to fill each role? And who doesn't fit anywhere on the chart but is currently on the team drawing a paycheck? So why not take a minute, if you haven't done so already, and download your template of an org chart so that we can fill it out together. Now I'd like you to fill in the names of your current team members. So put names in each box. If people are doing more than one job, put their name in twice. If they're doing 3 jobs, put their name in 3 times. As many jobs as they're doing, make sure they're described on that box. If no one is doing the job but it's needed, just leave the box empty for now. And customize the chart to fit the size of your team or company. You might be a smaller team inside a larger organization. That's fine, that works with this org chart. You might be a mid-sized company and you feel like you need a few more boxes. We'll just customize the chart to fit your size. Now that you have names in those boxes, ask yourself some questions like these. Which boxes have multiple names? Are there people who are spread too thin? Which boxes are empty? Are there critical roles that just aren't getting done? Which boxes should you hire for now or hire for next? You're really trying to find the answer to the question, what does the organization need? So before you hire, just be sure what roles you need to fill. Choose the priority. In which order will you hire them when the need is there and when cash becomes available? Here's the leader's career path. Learn a role in the business and do well at it. Probably it's going to be a more entry-level role when you start, but learn it really well and get really, really good and competent at it. Next, fill the role with the right person. Teach them to do the role as well as you did and move up to a new role with greater responsibility. And then repeat. Keep moving up and up that org chart. The idea with every leader is you want to get good at every job you're in. You want to bloom where you're potted. Then you want to move to the next role, bloom where you're potted, and you want to move up and up and up until finally you're absolutely maximizing your leadership skills and you know the skills of those other jobs so that you can be a coach to those people too. Let's recap what you've learned in this module. First, you learned why you need an organization chart. Then you learned how to build one. And then you learned how to decide what positions need to be filled and in what order you'll hire them.